The Moorish castle was first built in 1160, or earlier. However, it was destroyed when the Spanish reconquered Gibraltar from the Moors in 1309 to 1333. The Tower of Homage's main feature was to dominate the hillside and the landward approach to Gibraltar. A rebuilt tower dates primarily from about 1333 AD when Abu el-Hassan recaptured Gibraltar from the Spanish. On another occasion, the Count of Niebla attacked the castle. He was captured by the medieval defenders and his body was suspended from the walls in a barcina, a net for carrying straw. The Tower of Homage proudly displays the battle scars inflicted during the various sieges. Here a Spanish governor held out for 5 months against the Duke of Medina Sidonia, who took Gibraltar from his own sovereign, Queen Isabel of Spain. In 1540, hundreds of people found safety inside the castle when Turkish pirates ransacked Gibraltar. The lower castle formerly stretched all the way down to Casemate Square, the Grand Battery area and the Old Mole. It is interesting to note that the courtyard of the Moorish castle served as a prison up until 2010. Thank you for watching. Please remember to subscribe if you have enjoyed this video.